The District Transport Officer East KHASI's district, LAMIN, had clarified on fares and capacity related to taxis and other commercial vehicles plying within the district. He also expressed his concern not only for commercial vehicle drivers but also for different categories of people whose businesses and livelihood have been greatly affected since the onset of the pandemic. On taxi fares, LAMIN informed that till date there has been no notification from the government with regards to the change in fares, but instead, the one issued in January 2020 is still in force for all commercial vehicles. However, he added that should there be complaints on the extra charges or exorbitant fare charged by drivers, it is the duty of the passengers to file a written complaint on the issue to the transport officer, and the department would then take up the matter and act according to its rules and policies.
Notification halor kan ka dor bala aj sorka tengin dia pe yang to min sia yu ki de bangan makin ayang ida ka jingtho kan kata kali nembar ka kasim yang kata lene subuh kumna yogu salam kra lene kumna yogu cha lum jengjeri lene kum cha na yogu sepetar pom kala don lut ki dia hang de barok khafi kita bangun ki halor ketua tu ngila bantu segi ni kita taksi lene cho segi driver baru kita selek pat halor kata kat tungkaan ndai hadu mentah ji pai ba ki le segi suut sene satai ndai yang kene tgim yo jiktip i bat ki brio jongi rungi persyam hi ban tha ban pe ndai teteng ke kilai ki brio jongi ki ba ki checking tu ning ta ki badan uniform ki bonsian ki ya capacity ru ki kisong baik katung ka jingha jangka neka ka order jangka DC dan neka health department kamtam kan ka por badai ikan ka covid ti ikan ka jingsong jang passenger sabian hak meeting bat jang DC bat jang SP bat jang giwe department mo kato la ya rai lang hibat ki association baru khahi nadu ki boss nadu ki presiden jang ki local taxi papier jang ki pat ki association kita ngilai rai lang hi hak meeting bat jang DC kum ka chairman tingilang bagi ki passenger si ki local taxi sedian ide ben sangarngut hak mak uwe tentang kita hi ki bangi layar hadu mentah lor kan ka dor ka muru 4 yo nak government bakin riem pat ka we pat ka dor lan bikin ong pat ngin pen he lan ni ya kan hadu mentang nang ya ben ya kan ka dor ka berim ka bami mencipsnam khalai tarik Januari 2020.
The East KHASI's District Transport Officer LAMIN also informed that there have been instances where protocols issued by the Health Department of the state have not been strictly followed by commercial vehicle drivers. On this, LAMIN urged upon all drivers to adhere strictly to such advisories so as to encourage passengers and other members of the public to also follow the protocols issued by the Health Department from time to time.